Welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch and Mortgage Market Update. I'm Bob Gibbs.
And I'm Michael Karras.
And we're in the middle of August 2025. Still hot out.
Haze suck, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Giants, really.
Yeah.
Football season just right around the corner.
Yeah, hoopah. So we wanted to give you an update on what's going on with the real estate and mortgage markets right now. And Michael will talk to you about what's going on with mortgages and things.
Yeah, well, good news. Rates seem to be finally maybe coming down a little bit.
Yeah.
As you know, President Trump has been all over Fed Chairman Powell to cut interest rates for months now. And the Federal Reserve's excuse for not doing it was inflationary fears and a very strong employment report. Yeah. Well, last Friday, first Friday of every month is employment report. And not only did it come in bad, they revised the last 2 months even further downward, and it was just horrific. So for everything that the Fed was saying their reason for not doing it, well, you know,
there it is.
Total opposite.
Now, I'm told that it might come down a few times this year.
Yeah, up until before Friday's report, they thought 2 rate cuts, and it would happen at the end of the year. The market, Wall Street, everybody's built that in. But after Friday's employment report, which, again, the Fed's position was strong employment, not to mention inflationary fears as being the main catalyst, but employment was right there. And so that's right out the window, the whole theory that the job market is strong. So now they're predicting next month at September's meeting, that would be a cut that wasn't expected, so there'll be 3 cuts.
Right.
September, November, December, I believe is what they're...
And that ought to get the economy moving.
Yeah. I mean, well, of course, just so you know, I know a lot of people out there will say, okay, great. Then we're going to start looking for a house come December. Right. Or we're going to look to refinance because rates are going to be lower. And said, no, the stock market trades the news right now. So we're seeing improvements. Specifically, my company here, Diversified Mortgage Group, we have this investor for jumbo financing that's just phenomenal. We have today, we were offering 5.5% on a jumbo mortgage. I mean, it could be $2 million, that could be $3 million.
That's
with
pretty
the right,
rare.
With the right down payment or right equity position. And we're very fortunate to be able to offer it. Right. And we know that it's beating the market. There's nobody out there that can match it and compare. So there are things out there. So don't just necessarily feel like the Fed's going to cut rates down the road. So that's when I'm going to do something. Now's the time to do something.
Yeah, that's a good segue, because with the real estate market in general, we're seeing inventory levels at the highest we've seen in decades. And I think right now, if you have been waiting for the right time to buy, there's homes on the market right now that you could get. Great homes that are just kind of sitting. Yeah,
I'm surprised at some of the new houses that have been coming up in our area, the 680 corridor. Yeah. At the price points, we're seeing, houses in Danville listed in the 1.3, 1.4 range. I mean, it's just, I haven't seen that in a long time. Right. And so I think that the opportunity is there to get a good deal. It's a buyer's market, not a seller's market. Right now, as well as rates coming down. I mean, we're not going to hit the perfect rate drop, because guess what? Everybody else is thinking the same thing. We're just going to wait, and then all of a sudden the market's going to get flooded once rates do really come down. Now you have more competition. So,
the home prices.
Yeah, they're going to go right up. So it's a perfect combination right now happening.
Yeah, the worst thing I want to be able to do is look back and say, I told you so.
Yeah.
So don't give me that opportunity. Right now, if you're looking to buy, I'm saying a condo, townhouse, they're sitting on the market right now. If you're a first-time home buyer wanting to get in, or if you're a move-down buyer looking for something that's a little smaller that you don't have to do a yard with, I mean, they're just houses there, and they're beautiful, and they're just kind of sitting, waiting for a good buyer to come in. And even with single-family detached homes, even at the luxury level, there's some good buys right now. It's not to say that they're all kind of sitting. There's some that have gone fairly quickly. But in general, 30 to 40 days is not uncommon to see a nice home in Danville sitting on the market right now. Condos, 60 to 75 days is not uncommon. Yeah. It gives you an opportunity to negotiate. It gives you, without any stress, really. So I'm telling you, I can't emphasize this enough. Yeah. If you're looking to buy or do something in the next year to 5, this might be the window that you've been praying for.
Yes.
So,
I agree.
Anything else with them?
That's it. And give us a call.
Yeah. Reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the month.